Welcome to our vlog. Today we're going to talk about our personal experiences and what we learned about resilience after the 2013 Bohol earthquake. Stay tuned as we share our stories of strength and hope.
On October 15, 2015, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck Bohol Island in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. The strongest earthquake to hit Bohol in nearly 25 years. It triggered landslides and caused widespread destruction. At least 200 people lost their lives and another 350,000 people were displaced.
According to the official report by National Disaster Risk Management, 222 were reported dead, 8 are missing, 976 were injured. More than 73,000 structures were damaged, which of more than 14,500 were destroyed.
The epicenter was measured about 50 kilometers beneath Carmen City, causing widespread damage to its buildings. The local government has declared a state of calamity for the provinces of Bohol and Cebu.
Kani mo na yung mga wala nung kasulog dito sa office. Yung ID, ano ba? Ginalang nga na kayo ito, mag-18 po. Okay, nyo?